So you have uploaded your files on Google Drive, but when you opened it, the file was not there. And even you re-uploaded the file, but it still does not appear in the folder or on your Google Drive. So what is the solution? I will tell you only 2 steps to fix this issue, and the second step that I will tell you fixes the issue 110%. So you need not to skip. So the very first step is you first of all have to open up your App Store if you are on iPhone, and you have to open up your Play Store if you are on Android. Keep in mind that this is going to be the very first and mandatory step. If you don't do this, you may not be able to fix the issue. So after that, go to the search button and search here Drive and hit the search button. And when this Google Drive appears up, you have to tap on it. And you have to first of all update your Google Drive application. Keep in mind that updating an application fixes 90% of the issues which you are having with that app. So this was the first step. Update your Google Drive, and now let's move towards the second step. So after updating Google Drive, you have to open the application and you have to check whether you see that uploaded video here or not. But if you still are not able to see that uploaded videos, then this second step will work like a magic. What you have to do is you have to first of all go to the folder in which you had uploaded the video. Or even if you have not uploaded it in any folder and you have uploaded just in Google Drive, you have to go there. And after that, you have to go to this search button available at the top of Google Drive. And next you have to search here the name of the file that you had uploaded. For example, it was People You May Know. This was the name of the file that I had uploaded. And when you do this, then your file will appear in the search results. And after that, when you go back, this will appear up in the required folder where you had uploaded it. So simple is that. First update your application, and after that type it in the search bar, and when you go back it will be displayed here. Now do tell me in the comments that which solution worked for you, so it may be a big help for the others. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.